This duo creates fuller looking lips. If you're someone that's always fancied the idea of having fuller looking lips, look no further than this incredible duo. This clever lip liner has a nudie pink on one side and a creamy beige on the other. And when you use the two together, it's gonna really make your lips look fuller. Start on your Cupid's bow and you're just gonna feather the line across. Then I do the bottom lip from the center to the corner each side. And now I'm simply gonna fill the inside of my lips with the pinky shade. I absolutely adore this gloss. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, it's got beautiful ingredients in it to nourish your lips. This gives an ever so slight subtle sheen. You can take the creamy side into the middle of the bottom lip, smudge together, and there you have a really beautiful statement lip. For me, it's a makeup bag staple. You can enjoy them singly, on their own, or they're both together.